One of the most useful features of Audacity is its noise reduction plugin or effect. So in this video, I'm going to show you the ins and outs of quickly and easily using it. I have this test recording right here. This is a recording which we're going to use to help demonstrate the noise reduction feature and how I use it, and I believe it's the best way to use it. So, in order to use the noise reduction feature properly, whenever I start an audio recording, I always make sure to leave some silence on the front. I usually make sure to be silent between seconds 2 and 3, especially before I start talking, just like you can see here. Because the next step you're going to want to do is select this audio. Now, before we use the noise reduction feature, let's just take a look at what the waveform looks like before the extra background noise is removed. So we'll just select some quiet spots here, amplify it to its maximum extent, amplify it by 50, and you can see all this noise here. Sounds like that when you amplify it by 50. When I want to remove the noise, I always select a quiet part. I select a second's worth of quiet. And the way I do my recordings, I always select between seconds 2 and 3, then effect and noise reduction. And then first we have to get the noise profile. This sort of trains the noise reduction system on what the noise sounds like so it can remove it properly. Then after we've gotten the profile, we select the entire clip like that, go back to noise reduction, and hit OK. And that removes the noise. Now, if we select just the quiet area again and amplify it by 50 again, you can see what sort of difference that has made. So a different quiet area, amplify it by 50. And now it sounds like that. So you can see how different that is. A word about the settings on the noise reduction. Generally, these default settings here are just fine. You have to be a little careful when you adjust these settings, because if you adjust them too much one way, the noise reduction won't really do anything. And if you adjust them too much another way, it'll make the remaining audio sound kind of weird, almost like it's partially underwater or something. The actual noise reduction setting in decibels is how much it reduces the noise that it finds. You can play with that to whatever you feel is appropriate. These two settings right here, the sensitivity and the frequency smoothing, are the ones that really can make your audio sound funny if you overuse them. Go ahead and play with these settings, just see how it makes your audio sound, but generally these default settings right here are fine. These are the settings that I always use myself. So that's how you use the noise reduction feature of Audacity. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And also remember to subscribe if you want more tutorials and gear information and reviews. Thanks for watching.